Hello everyone, once again welcome to our channel TechBee. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about current openings in KBR. For your information, I am sharing you some details about the company. It is US based company operating in field of science, technology and engineering. It works in various markets including aerospace, defense, industrial and intelligence. It is more than 100 years of company and is heavily involved in mission support for several government agencies including NASA, providing training and care for American astronauts. Approximately 29,000 employees are working in more than 40 countries. Those are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. As you know, it is a US based MNC hiring for India location. So this is a very good opportunity. Whatever update you are getting from me, apply for all the jobs available. Definitely you will get interview calls for many. Link is provided in the description box. Click the link, we come to KBR career page. Click on browse KBR jobs, select country India in filter section. Here we see lots of vacancies are present. We will discuss about freshers. Huge vacancies are present for experienced and freshers. Experienced persons, please visit the site and apply as per their experience and qualification. We will discuss about freshers openings. Select graduate engineer trainee. Job location is Pune. Your designation is GET, that is graduate engineer trainee. Here the selected students shall be part of team of engineers involved in complete life cycle engineering of equipments for various technologies. These positions are for engineering, quality control and project management functions. Here are some details about the KBR. Please go through it. Let's apply for this position. Click on apply. To start your application, click on apply manually. As a new user, you have to create an account. Enter your email address, password, verify password. Click on I consent to create an account. Here we have to complete all the steps: my information, my experience, application questions, voluntary disclosure, review and finally submit the application. First, my information. How did you hear about us? Select company website. Have you ever worked for KBR? Select no. Enter your name, complete address with PIN code, mobile number. Click on save and continue. Similarly, you have to enter all the details and finally review and submit the application. So don't delay, submit the application as soon as possible. Here all the branch students are eligible to apply for graduate engineer trainee position.